You don't need 21 days to fix your entire life. Not 90, not even 7. You need one day, just 24 hours of brutal radical intensity to violently shift your entire trajectory. Stop lying to yourself that real change takes time. Change takes a cold, do or die decision. This is war against your own mediocrity, and today is the battlefield where the old you dies. Step 1 is radical self-confinement. Cancel every single plan you have. Lock the door. Turn off your phone and throw it in another dark room where you cannot hear it buzz. You are addicted to the endless noise because the silence truly terrifies you. In the absolute silence, you have to face the chaotic, ugly mess you have made. No music, no podcasts, no cheap, instant dopamine hits. Just you and the walls. If you feel bored, good. Boredom is the only place where the truth lives. You must embrace the void to find yourself. Step 2 is the mirror ritual. Stand in front of the glass and do not look away for a second. Stare deep into your own pupils until it physically stings. Ask yourself the question you have been running from for years. Who am I actually pretending to be? You have built a fake persona to survive society, but today that mask must die. See the fear in your eyes and acknowledge it. You are not tired. You are uninspired because you are living a pathetic lie. Step 3 is destroy to rebuild. Take a piece of white paper and a pen. Write down every single habit, person, fear, and excuse that is killing your potential. Vomit the poison onto the page. Do not filter it. Rip it out of your soul. Once the list is full, take a lighter and burn it all. Watch the paper turn to black ash. This isn't just symbolic, it is a binding contract with your subconscious mind. You are shredding the old, weak version of you. Step 4 is the warrior hour. You need to shock your physical system to reset your weak mental one. Go outside and run until your lungs burn. Lift something heavy until your muscles violently shake. Push your body past the point of comfort. Pain is clarity. When your body is screaming, your mind shuts up. This is where you find your raw power. You must sweat out the toxic weakness that has plagued you for decades. Force the blood to pump through your veins. Step 5 is the 9 p.m. rule. By the time night falls, you sit in total, absolute darkness. No screens. Reflect on the war you just fought. Realize that you're not broken. You were never broken. You were just buried under layers of modern comfort and distraction. The person you want to be is already inside you, waiting for you to cut the heavy chains holding you back. Accept this new, hard reality. The 24 long hours are up, and you are reborn. If this hit you, don't just blindly scroll to the next dopamine hit. Act. Fix yourself today and join my Telegram for daily mindset drops right now, soldier.